Hello, I'm Simon Gabriel. I've put up a dashboard, and this dashboard provides a consolidated view of government investment performance from 2022 to 2025 of four states and two regions, the North Central and the Northwest. So, this is actually a synthetic data set, not actually a real data set. Just put it up for the purpose of practice. And it brings together the multi year investment data to actually help us make, to actually help decision makers quickly understand funding levels, project deliveries, and economic impact. So at the top here, we see investment total. You see total investment committed. You see the total number of projects funded, then the overall completion rate, and how well the projects are delivering on expected job creation. So that is it. So these KPIs gives leadership an immediate sense of scale, performance, and value for money. The trend chart shows investment levels, how they have evolved year on year, helping us to identify growth patterns or slowdowns. So you can see how, so we use line chart for trends. So beside it, we have the project status distribution, which highlights how many projects are completed, how many are ongoing, how many are cancelled. So making delivery risks visible at a glance. So you see them, the legends here with the different colors of the uh, project status, so you can see. So the other hand here, we can see which sector attracts the most investment and how that translates into job creation. So we also have here the regional view, which allows us to compare states, identify high impact areas, and spot locations where investment outcomes may need closer attention. Like you can see, I believe in our chart here, we can see that Nasarawa State needs a closer attention. So you can see from this spot. So it is giving us a clear view. So we have at the top here, we have our slicers that we can actually check which year. So as this begins to, so when we click on 2023, the chart actually updates, you can see. So we click on 2024. So we also have, you can see all of this. You can see the metrics showing you if it's down, if it's up, like that. So you can see um, all of that. So, so the other hand, we can see the region, the North Central, the Northwest. So we can slice. So we can take this off from the slicer. It returns back. So for the states, we have Benue. You see every data around Benue. So every data around Kaduna, Nasarawa. So you see, um, then you have for Plateau. So that is that. So we have a refresh button here that actually refreshes if we have an update on that. So at the left hand corner here, we have some buttons. This is for executive overview, which we are still on. They want to check the sector performance of. It takes us to another page. So you can see, takes us to the sector page. So you can see total project by sector, the performance. Then you see the completed rate by sector, the job impact by sector, then the best performing um, sector. So when I come here, you see it keeps changing. So you see changes, keep changing. So that is that. We've not got it for 2026. So I think that. All right. So we move to another page which talks about the regional and state impact. So you see we have the regional state impact. You can see the total state, total regions, total expected job, actual job. So we see the job dead by states, completed rate percent by region, the project by state, how many projects each state done, completed projects by state. So you see the numbers and the percentage. So we'll move to the project detail, the last button. So just hold your control, you click it, it takes you, now you can see the entire details of a project. You can see the sector, the project name. Now this project ID comes, we actually mapped it using the year and some numerical values. Now here you can see the status, which we use the condition formatting. When we see green, we say it's completed. When we see yellow, ongoing, black, delayed, and red means it's cancelled. So with all of these, we just put up a multi-year. So this is just actually to, all of these visuals are fully interactive. Leadership can filter by state, by sector, or state to answer specific policy or investment question in real time. So our data can update. We can refresh our data to update if there's an update for each year. All right. So overall, this dashboard transforms fragmented investment reports into a single decision support tool.